Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to create Google Workspace Users by schedule using Fanatical Foresight Automation Tool. In certain business cases, your company will add some short-lived user accounts for interim contractors, interns, or partners at the beginning of next month. Google Admin Console doesn't have the ability to schedule adding users for you. You have to manually create a reminder to alert the future version of you to add these accounts. As a Google Workspace administrator, that doesn't make sense of your time. That's where xFanatical Foresight Automation Tool comes in. Foresight offers a simplified workflow for user creation. Administrators can define specific dates and times for user creation, ensuring that new employees have their accounts ready when they join the organization. Before you run the Foresight automation, please make sure your Google account has the Super Admin or User Management Admin role. How to create users by schedule on Foresight. Log into your Foresight account with your Google Admin account. Step 1. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Select the time trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. In the Edit Trigger screen, specify a future onboarding date. Click on Next. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, click the Generate Password action. Leave all settings at their defaults in the Generate Password settings screen. Click Add Next Action. Step 3. Select the Create User action. To include all necessary information, in the Edit action, create a user screen. If this is your first time, please grant Foresight access for user creation for smooth operation. Fill in the new user's information, including first name, last name, primary email, etc. Then, select the Generate Password variables in the Password field, and select the organizational unit path. Click Add Next Action. Step 4. Select Email Action. In the Email action, select the recipient in the To field. In the To field, enter the new employee's personal email address, which receives the login credentials, and add a subject line. Step 5. Click Review and name your rule. Finally, click Create. xFanatical Foresight Rule Graph for scheduling creating a Google Workspace user should look like this on the right panel. Take a break while the Foresight does its automation. Check your top right bell icon for the notification of a new user created by schedule as per the selected time trigger. To schedule adding multiple Google Workspace users on a day, go to the menu options and select Duplicate. To schedule adding multiple Google Workspace users on different days, go to the menu options and select Duplicate option. Then the administrator needs to configure the time trigger, create user and email actions. To reschedule the first day for a new Google Workspace user account, log into your Foresight account with your Google Admin account. Go to the Rules page. Click the menu button located next to your rule in Foresight. Select the Edit option from the drop-down menu of the rule card. Within the rule interface, select the trigger time. Set the desired date and time for rescheduling the first day of a new Google Workspace user account. To cancel the schedule of creating a new Google Workspace user, click the menu button located next to your rule in Foresight. Click on Delete. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.